little villages here. So I don't know, I think I've done like 11 videos today, which is fairly good, fairly decent. It's not even lunchtime. And we have a train station as well. So we have the station or the canal side. Yeah, so you can get the train now from Dublin. I don't know the times, don't know how long, it could be 20 minutes because there's probably a few stops on the way, but not many. Actually, come to think of it, this probably isn't a canal bridge, this is probably the railway bridge, and it is. Okay. So we're going to check that out. The bridge house looked like it was a place to be. It looks like a 80s style building. So I've been there, the local barn lads back in the good old days. That's the train station. So yeah, that's where your train come in, you get out and you walk out to the train station, and then you have to figure out, right, my battery is really low. We're going to try get as much as we can on the way back. If it just dies all of a sudden, like, subscribe, comment. Let me know if you like these little town videos. Hopefully there's a driving video or two up as well. And yeah, follow the channel. Like, let me know what you want to see in Ireland. Things may change in a few years, but for now it's all Ireland, and a few travelling channels as well. With a few countries I want to visit, but COVID restrictions. So yeah, keep the good times rolling. Just something of a mental note. Hello. I'm actually not a local.
My Valley, the golf course.
No idea. Hold on, let's see if I can find it on Google.
No, golf course.
I'm a dub myself now, so what's it? My Valley, is it?
My Valley, M-O-Y.
Oh, M-R-Y. M-R-Y?
M-O-Y.
Oh, M-O-Y. Why? Valley Golf. Ooh. Looking like it's a fair distance away now.
Yeah, straight ahead now.
You could follow that road, yeah. So that's it there. So you'd follow that for a while.
Yeah.
And then it looks like you get My Valley. You'll get into a place called My Valley.
Yeah.
And then there should be like a left. You should be able to get. But I just double check with someone down there just to be safe.
Thank you.
No worries. Seemed like a nice man. It took me a minute to register that there. Like, he's like, excuse me, is she talking to you? One getting out of the car? Right, oh no, that's me. And as I said in the previous video, loads of golf courses here in Ireland, loads of them, from pitch and putts, which I don't think Americans know about. So it's basically like you only need two clubs really, like a 9 or a sandwich pitch wedge, and a putter. You're usually able to get onto the green in one shot. They're small, but they're fun and dinky. You get around in about an hour, and depending on if there's people in front of you and all, but usually a bit of fun. Then you have your par 3, par 4, par 5s, and then you have your like real super expensive ones. That Donald Trump plays or Tiger Woods comes over and plays. But I'm not giving them any shout outs because they're too expensive and they probably won't let me in. So yeah. Actually, I don't know any. Yeah, par 3 is probably the biggest. I think I played a par 4 before. But yeah, plenty of golf clubs, golf courses and stuff around. I'm surprised the battery's actually lasted this long. I keep on checking it. And we're basically just walking back through Enfield. 500,000, 325,000, 290. So they're a little bit cheaper out here, but you get a bit more space. Right, we're going to use pedestrian crossing, and I'm feeling the battery's probably going to run out after this. So we'll see how we go. And then Caesar's Italian Cafe and Ristorante. Ah, there we go. Right. So yeah, I'm in a bit of a rush because it's kind of starving, and I've gone mountain biking later on to be there by 1 o'clock, and I have to cook lunch and blah 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 blah. Lots of stuff going on. And this is my last video, and it's a half hour to get back to the home, and everything's kind of just tightly squeezed. So hopefully everything goes as planned, and by the time you read this, well, everything's already done, and we're like probably 3 weeks later, and there's more videos being done and uploaded, and hopefully you're a new subscriber and follower. Ishlig more. I can't translate because I don't know what Schlig is, but I know more is big, but I don't know why they would have the and then the last two words being Irish, so it should be on Schlig more, which is Irish for the. So yeah. Schlig, I'm trying to think of it now. Who knows what Schlig is? I'm not going to cheat and Google Translate it now. Anyone know what Schlig is? Put it in the comments below. Yeah, that's basically it. Just most cities are like, most villages are just one street, you know. It's got the pubs and restaurants and all on it. Then like you'll have your houses and stuff in the back. And there's more. Like look at that, 375,000. But you get like a garage, and it's a 3-bedroom, spacious. You're doing fairly well. I'm actually really stupid. Yeah, well, this is basically where I started, so I wonder if I can cross now in a second. Answer this car. Don't die, don't die, don't die. There we go, didn't I? Right. So basically where we started was here. Oh, and you have Tesco Express. So yeah. And then you have the market yard, so you have Rock City, Opticians, Rhino sunglasses, Blackwater Veterinary Clinic. I don't know if Blackwater should be a good name because it used